Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be filming my second video. I had a lot of great review and feedback off of my first video, so I'm really excited. Let's get into the second, third, fourth, and let's just keep going. This is so fun. So what today's video is going to be on is this look that's on my face right now, which is a black smoky eye, which is actually one of my favorite looks to do. It is difficult for sure, but just watch me do it. We'll get through it together. I really hope that you guys are enjoying my videos so far. Please hit the subscribe button down below, hit the like button, comment anything that you guys would like to see. It is the Christmas season, and like I said, I do live in Vegas, so if there's anything that you guys would like to see that happens in the valley this time of year, like the Las Vegas Motor Speedway lights, Magical Forest, the FLM Chocolate Factory, I want to go there anyway, so I could just film it for you guys while I'm there, if that's something you guys would like to see. Well, with all that being said, if you would like to watch me do this look and learn how I did it, then keep on watching. So I already put on my brows. I am going to carve them. So my favorite brush to carve out my brows is an Urban Decay brush. I'm pretty sure it comes with like the Naked 2 palette, which is like so old. But it's just like the best brush to carve. I just put a little on the back of my hand, and then I'm just going to actually first brush all my brows up and then carve under. Should we do eyes first or face? We should do eyes first. I never do eyes first. So I never do eyes first, but we're gonna do eyes first today. Mainly because we're gonna be putting black eyeshadow on. If we have fallout, then you already have like all your work of the foundation that you did. Then it's just like annoying, you know, to clean it up. So to be smart, we're gonna do eyes first. So the palette we're gonna use today is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 collection. I love Jaclyn Hill. I have almost every product she's ever sold. I think that her collaborations with Morphe are amazing, and that these eyeshadows are so good. We're gonna start with this great brush, the Morphe Y19, and we're gonna start light and then blend dark and light. You'll see. The first color I want to go in with is Perfectionist. Maybe I should zoom you guys in. Right into the crease like that. Okay, once that first color is all blended in the eye crease, we're going to move on and deepen the crease a little more before it's like we're gonna start light and we're just gonna keep getting darker and darker and darker. The next color I want to go in with is G Money. I love the undertone of G Money. It's like not too warm, not too cool. I love like very neutral browns. And we're just taking that, we're taking that with the smaller brush, the Y18. It's more of a pinched brush. It's really gonna help us get more into the crease directly. Don't worry about the eyelid if it looks messy, because we're gonna cover it with black anyway. Okay, now we're gonna take an even deeper color, deeper into the crease. I'm actually gonna go in with this deep brown color from the Madison Beer palette because I love how deep and rich that brown is. So if we're gonna work our way to black, we need a dark brown to help us get there. Okay, just keep blending. You know, it's not gonna look perfect as you're doing it. It's like it gets messy and crazy before it gets all like cute. So I'm gonna go back to the Jaclyn Hill palette and use this black color called Temptress. She actually, when she was launching this palette and she was talking about the color, she said that she made the black have a little bit of sparkle in it just to make it a little bit more easier to work with, easier to blend. So I'm going to use that. We're gonna use that on a MAC 242, just flat brush. Ever so carefully. You're gonna start low. Just stamp it like that. way up. I'm obsessed. Okay, go on the next eye, start. I even flip my brush upside down. The darkest point we want is where the lash line is. Okay. Now that that's on there, now we're gonna take our big fluffy brush. I'd recommend dipping in a brown, like one of the browns you used, and then blending it. Okay, and once you have the top blended as much as you want it, now it's really dark. So what we want to do is start to highlight the eye. Take Certified, which is just a white matte color, and we're gonna put that in the inner corner. And then we're just gonna, so we don't want to lose our eyes in this look. Then I'm gonna take that color next to Certified that's called I'm In It, and I'm in it. We're gonna highlight below the brow. For foundation today, we're gonna go in with the Dior Forever foundation. This is like the matte version. I know there's like a glossier version and then a matte version. I have really oily skin, so I like this one. Let's try spraying this. I usually always spray my sponges with my Fix Plus, but I kind of want to spray it with the Morphe Seal the Deal Madison Beer Face Spray. It's like a luminous spray. It's kind of like the same idea when I use Fix Plus. Okay. I just zoomed you guys out again. I forgot that I was zoomed in. The way this spray smells is amazing. Like amazing. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, and let's go in with that concealer. The same concealer, the Hey Honey. So I used the concealer to kind of create a sharp line from the eyeshadow. I think I'm going to use my Ciate London loose powder. It's just the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. So once your whole face is set, which I'm so oily that I put so much powder on, and this powder is like very white. It's translucent, but it's very white. So I'm like Casper right now. I need bronzer for sure. We're gonna start with this big brush to bronze the whole face. Kind of like how we do eyeshadow, like when we start with like a bigger brush, you know, and then go in with a smaller brush after. Since this eye look is so dark and dramatic, you really need to, I think, make the rest of your features a little bit more dramatic, like stronger brows, stronger contour, like stronger lips, like everything just like go big or go home, you know what I mean? Because it's like if you have black on your eyelid and then you don't fill in your eyebrows that well or that heavy, then they're gonna get lost, you know. Plus, sweetie, I am not here for the natural look. If I was here for the natural look, I wouldn't be putting black on my eyelids. You know what I mean? Okay, the next thing that I want to do is my bottom lash line, actually. So, let's grab a brush. I want to start off with this angle brush and then blend it out with a pencil brush. We're actually going to start with a darker color. I can't remember what I did last time. We're going to take the angle brush and go in with the black and just stamp it on your lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in with the same dark brown that I used to smoke out my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with this black pencil liner, and I'm just gonna line my tight line and my waterline. It's because my eyes are a very, very dark brown. As you can see, they're very dark brown. So when I put a black around my eyes, like the way I am right now, it makes them look more brown, like a lighter brown, a browner brown. And I love when my eyes actually look like brown, because normally my eyes look like they're black. So for blush next, I'm gonna go in with this blush palette from Morphe. It's the 9B. I don't even know if they sell this anymore. This is actually kind of old, but the color blush that I love to use when I do this look is like a mauve color. So I broke it. So I'm actually gonna go in and mix these two colors right here to make the blush concoction that I want. They're very similar anyway. Oh my god, I didn't dust it off. What a dummy. So before I do any highlighter or any mascara or lashes, I'm gonna spray my face now with the same spray that I sprayed on my brush, which is the Morphe, the Madison Beer Seal the Deal. It's a luminous setting spray. So we're gonna go in with that. I may be oily, but I mean, doesn't everybody wanna look luminous and glowy? So I'm just curling my eyelashes, and then we're gonna put on a really light coat of mascara, because we're gonna glue on eyelashes today. So for lashes, one of my favorite lashes to wear is Lily Lashes in the style Luxe. I love them. They're so like perfect because they're like kind of dramatic, but they're not like Miami where it's like, whoa, you know, it's like sometimes you don't always want to go for a Miami look like that. Okay, once it's like dry enough that you think, then go ahead and pop it on. Whew. For any guys watching out there, gluing lashes onto your eyes is not easy. It takes practice, courage, patience. So the highlighter we're gonna go in with today is like probably my brightest highlighter. It's by Makeup Obsession, the Mega Lightning. It's crazy. So the last thing we're gonna do is lips. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Love Bite lip pencil because it's a little more brown. I definitely want to go for a more brown nude today. So I'm gonna go in with this MAC lipstick in the color Touch. It's a pretty brown color. So I do want my lips to be pretty brown and glossy, so I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Madison Beer lip gloss in the color Venus. I believe that is the whole look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this little black smoky eye tutorial. Definitely put on as much black as you feel comfortable. If you want to go like pitch black, you can. If you just want it to be a really soft wash of black, you can make it like that. Anything, just tailor it to how you want it and what makes you feel comfortable on what you want to do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button, click the like button, comment what your favorite part of the video was, and comment what you guys would like to see next. I really want to know what you guys think, whether it's makeup related or anything else. I'm kind of open to doing any video that I'm capable of doing. That doesn't have to be strictly makeup. You know, I want like a pretty broad cast of viewers here. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and follow me on everything. And I will see you guys in my next video.